Have you ever felt like you're waiting for a sign, a whisper from the universe to tell you which way to go, a quiet hint that you're on the right path? We often imagine cosmic guidance as this soft, subtle voice, something we might miss if we're not paying close enough attention. But what if we've got it all wrong? What if the universe isn't whispering at all? There's a powerful idea that says, the universe doesn't whisper. It roars in silence, waiting for us to listen. This completely flips the script. It suggests that the guidance we seek isn't some faint, barely audible message. It's a roar. It's loud, powerful, and all-encompassing. So what does that even mean? It means the universe isn't communicating with words or sounds that our ears can pick up. It's communicating through patterns, through feelings, through the very fabric of our reality. The problem isn't that the universe is too quiet. It's that we are too loud. Think about your own life. Our minds are constantly buzzing. We're worrying about the future, replaying the past, scrolling through social media, and drowning in a sea of notifications and to-do lists. Our internal world is a noisy, chaotic place. We are so busy listening to the chatter in our own heads that we can't hear the roar that's happening all around us and inside us. The universe roars through your intuition. That gut feeling you get about a person or a situation, that's not a whisper. That's a full-throated roar from your inner wisdom telling you to pay attention. But how often do we rationalize it away? And we let our logical, overthinking minds talk us out of it. It roars through synchronicities. You're thinking about an old friend, and suddenly they call you. You're struggling with a problem, and the solution seems to appear out of nowhere in a book or a conversation. These aren't just random chances. These are the dots connecting, forming a loud, clear picture if we just step back to see it. It also roars through challenges and failures. When something doesn't work out, when a door slams shut in our face, we often see it as a setback, a sign of our own inadequacy. But what if it's the universe roaring, wrong way? This path is not for you. Failure isn't a whisper of disapproval. It's a thunderous redirection. It's a powerful force pushing us towards a different, better-suited direction. It's a loud lesson, not a quiet punishment. The key to hearing this roar is in the second part of the quote, waiting for us to listen. The universe is patient. It's always roaring, but it won't force us to pay attention. The responsibility is ours. We have to create the silence. We have to be the ones to turn down the volume on our own internal and external noise. This is where practices like meditation, mindfulness, or even just spending time alone in nature become so vital. It's not about emptying your mind. That's nearly impossible. It's about observing the noise without getting swept away by it. It's about creating pockets of stillness in your day where you can just be present. When you sit in silence, you start to notice things. You notice the rhythm of your own breath. You notice the subtle feelings in your body. You begin to untangle your own thoughts from your intuitive hits. In that quiet space, the roar becomes discernible. The patterns become clear. The gut feelings become undeniable. Think of it like tuning a radio. If you have the dial set between stations, all you hear is static. That static is the chaos of our daily lives. Creating silence is how we tune our personal frequency to the roar of the universe. So the next time you're looking for an answer, don't strain your ears for a whisper. Instead, create a moment of silence. Take a deep breath. Go for a walk without your phone. Sit quietly for just 5 minutes. Ask your question, and then just listen. Not with your ears, but with your whole being. Listen to the feeling in your chest. Pay attention to what pops into your mind when it's quiet. Notice the opportunities and the people that suddenly show up in your life. The universe is not being subtle. It's roaring with guidance, with love, and with all the answers you seek. It's just waiting for you to get quiet enough to hear it. What do you think? Have you ever experienced this roar? Let me know in the comments below. And if this resonated with you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content that helps us tune into the bigger picture. Thanks for watching,